Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a nice band here for your Apple Watch. This will fit a 42 and a 44 millimeter, but this watch here is a 44 millimeter. Now this band here is a titanium alloy metal. As you can see here, it comes in two colors. Now I really like this one. The thing is, I mean, it's titanium alloy, but it's really lightweight. Like I have regular metal ones here that are really heavy. And these feel good on the wrist. The only thing is when I'm out in like weather that's hot and a lot of humid, what happens when I wear this heavy one is basically my wrist gets all sweaty. This one here is much more breathable, and I'll give you a better look here. And they also come in black as well. Now basically when you get this, I mean for me, for my wrist size, I had to take off two links, okay, on each of these bands to fit my wrist. I think I have like average man wrist size here. Anyways, you can see how the clamps are right here. And let me go ahead and put this one on. I'll put the black one on as well, just to give you an idea what it looks like. You can see what it looks like there. Let me go ahead and pull this off, and I'll go ahead and put the black one on as well. Let me put that on now. I'm going to have a link in the description below. I'll show you how to adjust the links here, takes them off. It's a little bit different than all the other bands that I have. The other bands here, basically you just push the needle in. With this one here, it's a little bit different because the needles here, or there's actually springs on it. So anyways, I'll put that link below, but this is what the black one here looks like. And I'll give you a comparison between the both, and I'll show you this other heavy one as well, kind of get like an idea. Anyways, I like it. Lightweight, feels good, it's breathable, definitely good quality here. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.